Part 1 Pricing Data Structure, Foundation. In SAP SD, pricing is not stored as a single fixed value. It is time-dependent. It is condition-based. And it changes across validity periods. When we download pricing data from SAP into Excel, we typically see product or material, valid from date, valid to date, price or condition value. This means one product can have many prices, each valid during a specific time range. So when a business user asks, "What was the price of this product on this date?" we cannot just look up the product. We must find the record where the date falls inside the validity period. That is the real pricing logic we are going to automate using VBA. Part 2 The Business Requirement. Let's define the real business problem. A user wants to enter product, transaction date, and instantly get the correct price that was valid on that date. Not today's price. Not first match. Not last match. The correct historical price. Doing this manually in Excel is slow. So we will build a VBA function that behaves like SAP pricing logic. We will call it sale price. Part 3 Understanding the Excel pricing table. Our pricing table contains multiple rows per product. Each row represents a validity period. Example: Product A. Jan to March, rightward arrow, price 100. Product A. April to June, rightward arrow, price 120. So our logic must 1. Find the product. 2. Scan all its records. 3. Check which date range contains the transaction date. 4. Return that price. This is not a simple lookup. This is a time range search. Part 4 Function Design Strategy. Let's design the VBA function. Inputs: transaction date, product, output, valid price. Steps: load pricing table, search product rows, check date range, return matching price. If no match exists, rightward arrow, return blank. Simple logic, but powerful business automation. Part 5 Loading the pricing table in VBA. First we load the pricing data into memory. We detect the last used row. Then define the pricing range. This allows fast scanning of records without repeated worksheet calls. This step is critical for performance when pricing history is large. Part 6 Locating the product records. Next we scan the table until we find the requested product. This gives us the starting point of that product's pricing history. Because pricing records are grouped by product, we can then continue scanning forward safely. This avoids searching the entire sheet repeatedly. Efficient and controlled. Part 7 Applying the validity date logic. Now comes the real SAP style logic. For each product record, check if transaction date is between valid from and valid to. If yes, we found the correct price. This is exactly how SAP determines pricing validity. Part 8 Returning the correct price. If a matching record is found, return the condition value, the price. If no valid period exists, return blank. This ensures data accuracy. We never guess a price. We only return confirmed valid pricing. Part 9 Full VBA function explanation. Here is the complete logic in one flow. Load pricing table. Find product. Check validity period. Return price. This function transforms Excel into a pricing engine. Users simply write equals sale price, date, product. And Excel behaves like SAP pricing history lookup. Part 10 Business Impact and Automation Value. What we built is more than a function. It is a pricing intelligence tool. Now users can audit historical prices, validate invoices, analyze pricing changes, support finance and sales decisions, all without opening SAP again. This is the power of combining SAP data with Excel VBA. And this is how automation turns raw data into business insight.